Jatend migao mar teko kod modhi Opiyo Wandayi okoni piny owacho keto kenge mongirore mabiro reso kendo duoko teko stima e seche machuok kaponi stima olal. Wandayi mane otimo limbe log tich mar kambi teko stima KPLC bade majuja omedo ni kuo mar mwandu mikego godo stima en midhiero kendo jokuoge makamagi biro kawnegi okenge mager mag chik.
I am confident that these measures that we've agreed upon with the board and management of Kenya Power, if implemented to the fullest possible extent, will have a very, very positive impact in terms of the capacity of the institution to deliver on its mandate, to execute its mandate for the benefit of the people. We put a lot of emphasis on the menace of illegal connections. I want to appeal to the public generally to first and foremost understand that it is unpatriotic, it is illegal, and indeed risky for one to engage in illegal power connections. I want to appeal to the public that it is more beneficial not only to themselves as individual consumers but also to the country as a whole.